Hi friends, this is Human Science. So today I am saying about first year zoology. What are the chapters we get for NEET? So the first chapter is diversity of living world, and the second is structural organization in animals, and third chapter is animal diversity 1 and animal diversity 2. So in animal diversity 1 we will know about all invertebrate phyla we have. So Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Hemichordata. So we have to read all important from this. And second animal diversity 2 we get chordata. So these all chordates. First phylum is Chordata and second phylum is Cephalochordata, Vertebrata or Craniata, Agnatha, Gnathostomata and Tetrapoda. So next chapter, fifth chapter is locomotion and reproduction. So not so important, we will read in all chapters we will get. So next, biology and human welfare, very important, we will get diseases and all from here. Next, cockroach, Periplanta americana. So we will get some two or three questions from cockroach, so we have to read this also. The last chapter is ecology and environment. This is also very important. This is chemistry second year book I have, so I will say chapters from first year and second year also. This is also NCERT based. So I don't have first year textbook, so I written here. So the first chapter is structure of atom, second is classification of elements and periodicity, third is chemical bonding, fourth states of matter, fifth thermodynamics, sixth equilibrium means thermal equilibrium, seventh redox reactions, eighth hydrogen and its components, ninth S block elements and P block elements, 11th organic chemistry, very important, 12th hydrocarbons, 13th environmental chemistry. So from second year chemistry we will get first chapter solid state, second solutions, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. So from third chapter we will get these two, and fourth is surface chemistry, fifth metallurgy, sixth P block elements. In this we get group 15, group 16 elements, 17 and group 18, and last D and F block elements from periodicity, 8th polymers, 9th biomolecules, chemistry in everyday life. Next, haloalkynes and arenes, organic compounds like alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids, amines, diazonium salts, cyanides and isocyanates we will get from second year chemistry. This is physics textbook second year intermediate. So I will say what are the important chapters we will get for NEET 2021. I don't have first year textbook, so I written some chapters here. So first chapter is physical world, second is unit and measurements, third motion in a plane, fourth motion in a straight line, fifth laws of motion, sixth work power energy, seventh system of particles and rotational motion, eighth gravitation, ninth mechanical properties of solids, 10th mechanical properties of fluids, thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, kinetic theory, oscillations and waves. So from second year we will get chapter 1 is waves, ray optics and optical instruments, third is wave optics, fourth is electric charges and fields, fifth is electrostatic potential and capacitance, sixth is current electricity, and seventh is moving charges and magnetism. Chapter 8 is magnetism and matter. Chapter 9 is electromagnetic induction. Chapter 10 is alternating current. Chapter 11 is electromagnetic waves. Chapter 11 electromagnetic waves. Chapter 12 dual nature of radiation and matter. Chapter 13 atoms. Chapter 14 nuclei. Chapter 15 semiconductor, electronics, materials, devices and simple circuits we will get from semiconductors. And 16th is communication system. This is the last one. So I will give a brief information from physics also. So do like, share and subscribe my channel.